This is your last new toy, the Chuck-It Glow Ball. Are you ready? Good boy. Can you back up? Go down. Go get it. Well, come on. What is he doing? He doesn't want to show it. Oh, is the game over? Thanks a lot. Come on. Come on, Bo. Come on. Get that ball. Let's go. Oh, good boy. Come on, buddy. Come on. He said, come and get it. Mom, I dare you. Oh. Can I have a kissy? Kiss? No? You know what I'm doing, don't you? I'm going to come and take it. Good boy. That's such a good boy. This place is a disaster. It's definitely Friday.